G'day folks, Ben from Souvenirs. Today showing you this Caribee 37 litre folding duffel bag.
Hit it.
This handy little duffel bag packs up small and light when you don't need it, but offers 37 litres of extra storage when you do. It's made with durable but lightweight fabrics, features lockable zips, and is perfect for travelling or extra storage when you're camping. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the Caribee folding duffel bag, 37 litre bag packed up. Ready while you're not using it, I suppose. Fits inside its own little pouch here. Measures about 18 centimetres by 18 centimetres, and the whole thing weighs about 270 grams. So you can see if you're not using it, this is what you're going to be packing into your bag, ready for when you buy extra gear when you travel. And you've got 38 litres of extra durable, extra storage here. So to get it out, you've got a little zipper on the back here. We unzip that and it all folds out. So I'll just pull this out. It never goes quite back in the same way as from new. This actually stays attached to the bag here. So you can see it doesn't actually come out. That stays as part of the bag and becomes a little storage pocket on its own. And the bag then unfolds like this. It's just a very basic carry bag here with a closure over the top. So we'll run through features on the outside of the bag. We'll actually the material first. It's a ripstop polyester type material. Not like it's durable, but it's designed also to be lightweight and compact, but this is going to be nice and tough for the type of thing that you're using it for. If you're throwing it inside of airline compartments or anything like that, that's going to put up with a fair bit of abuse. Bit of a tour around the outside. On this front section here, you've got an extra little pocket for extra accessories, maybe things that you need to keep at hand. On the side of that, you've got a carry handle. This is all going to make more sense once I fill it up, and you'll see how it all comes together. The base is the same material as the top, so there's not an extra layer on the base here, so it's not designed to be super tough and dragged around. It's designed to be lightweight and compact. But this is still tough in terms of it's going to carry lots of weight. Looking at the end of the bag, not much to see, just a plain panel, but then it goes to the shoulder strap on top there, so you can carry it over your shoulder. To the back of the bag, this is you've got the grab handle on the top here, and then this loop here is designed to go through a wheeled luggage. If you've got a wheeled luggage and the handle sticks up, you can tuck this over the top of the wheeled luggage in the airport so that this stays on top of your wheeled luggage while you're moving around the airport. You don't have to carry two bags. And then on the other side, same thing, just a plain panel there with a shoulder strap on the top. The top zip runs right around three sides, so it runs across here along the front and then down the other side here. And then having a look inside, extra storage pocket, which is also the storage pocket for the bag when you're packing it away, sits inside the bag and nothing else to see inside there, but you can see it is well made. So stitches or the seams, are bound with nylon binding here, so it is a well made, well put together bag. Now I'll throw some things inside. So this is a big 7 kilo weight. I don't know if this is actually going to fit. We'll give it a try though. Squeeze it in so that you can see what the bag looks like when it's full. So that fit pretty easily actually. We'll throw a little bit more in, see how full we can make it. So that's about 9 kilos in there at the moment. And this zip then runs right around the top here like this. Another important thing to note on the zip is it is lockable. So if you are using it in an airline environment or travel environment, you can put a lock in here for a bit of a deterrent so that people aren't going to easily get to what's inside the bag. So now you can see the shape of the bag there. A little bit funny because I've got two big sort of blocks sitting inside, but you've got the carry handle that comes over the top here so we can carry it like this. And you've also got a shoulder strap here, which is adjustable. We can adjust this up and down so you can throw it over your shoulder and carry it as well. So that's 38 litres of extra storage. And when this is folded out like this, measures about 53 centimetres by about 25 to 26 or just under 30 centimetres in depth and in height as well. So most important thing though is there's 36 litres of volume in there, and because this is quite soft, you can fit all sorts of shapes of things inside of there. So that is the Caribee 38 litre folding duffel bag. Really handy little addition to any any travel or camping setup, because this will tuck away inside your existing bag, maybe inside your vehicle somewhere, ready for emergency or extra storage when and if you do need it while you're on your travels. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.